Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Yusuf Shakeel, and in this video we are going to learn about find method. So let's get started. Alright, so in the previous video we learned about filter method and how we use it to filter out elements of an array based on some filtering condition. Similarly, we use the find method to get the first matching element of an array that satisfies the condition that we define. If no elements of the array satisfies the condition, then the find method will return undefined. Alright, let's look at an example. Let's say we have an array of 5 elements and they are all integer values. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's say we want to find the first even number in the array. So in order to achieve that, we can do something like this. Const first even number is equal to array.find, and this find method will take a function that will be executed for each of the element. And we can write an arrow function. So it would look something like this. We have the element of the array. Let's represent it by v. And inside this, we want to return if v is an even number. So v mod 2 is 0. If v is an even number, then this one will return true and find will return that element of the array. So if we console log first even number, by looking at it, we can say number 2 is going to be our answer. So if we run this one, we get 2. Alright, let's check another example. Let's say we have an array of users and each element of the array is an object, and each object has fields like username and is online. And let's say this array has 3 elements and they are all objects. And we want to, let's say, find the first element of the array that represents a user who is online. So we can write something like this. Const first online user is equal to users.find. We can represent each element of the array as user, and we can write something like this. Return user dot is online. So if this is true, then the first element for which this is true will be returned. And we can write console.log first online user. So looking at this users array, we can safely say that this object will be returned. And if we run this one, we get Jerry, who is online, and it's the first element that is true. And in a similar way, if let's say all of them are offline. So if that is the case, then we are going to get undefined, because this find is going to loop over this array. It is going to pick the first element, but it is not online. It is going to go to the next one, which is also not online, going to the last one, which is also not online, And since it has reached the end, so it will ultimately give us undefined. So now for this array, if we run this, we'll get undefined. Alright guys, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you will find it interesting. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, click that bell icon and like this video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and like always, stay happy and keep smiling. Bye.